Introducing Accelerate, a virtual reality training environment where core cleanroom training is delivered in a digital replica of a real-life GMP facility for hands-on learning without the associated risks. Step into the virtual cleanroom suite, where trainees can build confidence and understanding of GMP behaviours in a risk-free virtual space. Accelerate reduces training time by allowing trainees to undertake orientation in the immersive facility and to practice GMP standard operating procedures before they enter the physical cleanroom. Experience the transformative benefits of VR training. Industry-relevant content. Students are taught industry-relevant processes and gain exposure to high-value industrial equipment. Personalized learning. No restrictions on training time. Repeat as many times as necessary. Standardized and scalable. No limits of group size and standardized to meet industry standards. Improved learner engagement. VR training provides experiential learning, which increases both engagement and learning efficiency. An uninterrupted learning journey. VR enables long processes to be condensed, removing learning fragmentation. Get ready to excel in core GMP behaviours with the Accelerate training modules. Our training is hands-on, immersive and highly engaging, providing good preparation for cleanroom operators. We understand that every customer is different, which is why we provide flexible options for setting up your VR training platform. For customers with their own VR hardware, we offer our cutting-edge software for easy integration into your headsets. Alternatively, explore our comprehensive package options that include provision of VR headsets preloaded with our Accelerate software. With Accelerate, the future of GMP cleanroom training is here. Reducing costs, reducing risks, reducing environmental impact, improving training efficiency, improving digital skills development, and engaging trainees.